irresistible, so yummy. Cookies, goodies, yummy-listic for kids and the family. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your home girl Susan back again with another mouth-watering recipe. Simple, easy, affordable. Snacks for the family, for the kids. Something to chewing or something to wet your mouth while you're reading your favorite novel, watching your favorite tele program. Let's get it started. Right here I have my coconut flour, condensed milk, and some butter. 3 ingredients to blow your 3 ingredients to blow your mind off. All right guys, first of all, you are going to do this with your flame turned off. You don't need to, while you putting the ingredients in the pot, you have to off your flame. So you put all the 3 ingredients together, then grease a bowl that you'll be needing later. Then go back again and on your flame. Please, when you're doing this, you have to keep on stirring it, keep on turning it. You have to keep on, as it's turning on its own, turning on the own, turning. You have to turn it, keep on stirring it so it won't get burnt. Right now, I just added my condensed milk. This is a can of 370 something grams, but actually I used about 310 grams, so I didn't finish the whole can. Right now my flame is on a very low flame. I repeat, on a very low flame. We have to cook for 11 to 15 minutes until it reduces in quantities and becomes a little bit brown in color. I said brown, I didn't say burn it. Brown, not burn. All right, so guys, keep watching and God bless you. And if you are new to my channel, I want to say welcome, feel at home, take a seat, have your drink, sip, have fun and enjoy my recipe. If you are yet to subscribe, please, what are you waiting for? Join the moving train, join the green family, and give me reason not to quit YouTube. To all my viewers, those that have subscribed and yet to subscribe, I want to say thank you and God bless you. And if you are still watching and you still have the intention to see the end of this video, I just want to say you are amazing. I'm sending you lots of kisses. You know, Susan always hides kisses in the middle of her videos for our loyal viewers, for our loyal supporters who always give her reason not to quit. You are the one that is pushing me forward. Thank you and God bless you. All right guys, repeat as I repeat after me. Susan said keep stirring it, keep stirring. If you are used to the word stir, keep stirring it, or if you're used to the word turn, keep turning it. Just be turning it to turning it. Keep stirring. You can see it has reduced in quantity and it gets a little bit harder. Is it harder? Hardened? Hard? I don't know. A little bit consistent. The consistency is a little bit hard now, so you just keep stirring it. I repeat, keep stirring it, because a second without stirring it, it will burn. I will show you my pot at the end of it, so you see my pot didn't get burned, and that is the end. So you don't need a burnt cookies. Alright guys, thanks for watching and God bless you. The video is self-explanatory. I will leave you to enjoy some piece of music while I see you towards the end of the video. Okay, I just transferred my mixture into my grease bowl. I just went ahead and used a polythene or a nylon to cover it up and allow it to cool for about 2 to 3 hours. I said earlier my pot, this is my pot, you can see from it. Cook it, stir it, don't allow it to be burnt. So that is it. Alright guys, okay, like I said before, the video is self-explanatory, so I won't be saying much. I like to enjoy the music while I come and explain. Right now I'm showing cutting them in portion, so it will be easy for me to roll. So I just roll and it is done. Simple, easy, fast, yummy, and oh, please, before you click out of this video, don't forget to subscribe. I remain your humble guy, Susan, alias EA Beatrice. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and love you. Bye. Enjoy the rest of the song, and God bless you. And if you find this video interesting, this recipe interesting, worth trying, please let me know on the comment section. I'll be there waiting for you. Bye. Right now I'm done rolling my Truffles. I just pass them. What I have there is coconut flour. I just pass them, run or use some of the dried coconuts, the coconut flour to rub them, then put them on, pick another one, do the same, repeat the same process, and it is done. Bye.